But I got a boat. Oh yeah, I'm C-Rod. You're watching C-Rod Fishing. Here I am on my new boat. I'm on the Riviera du Nord today. I've only been up for like an hour. I just got the boat on the water. I'll show you around real quickly and then we'll do a fishing video. So I got a 1998 25 horsepower Mercury engine. Outboard motor, I mean, due to this terminology. 2 seats. There is a electronic anchor, which is freaking sick. And it came with a Hummingbird Chirp GPS right there. So I'm gonna start here this morning. I have a bunch of things to fine tune on my boat. So first fine tuning job, I'm hooking up my sonar battery to my sonar here. Sonar is turning on and now it has an independent battery, so good start to the day. Pretty simple bait, just a white twister tail type guy on a 1/4 ounce jig. And cool thing about having the sonar at the back of the boat here is usually I can see my jig. Yeah, I'm picking it up right there. That is freaking awesome. That is too cool. Wow, I'm already, I don't know what all that interference is. Maybe that's just my line. I need to turn down the sensitivity, I think. Oh, that was a fish. Oh yeah, there we go. That's my first fish and it feels decent. That's a nice walleye. Sauger. Hey! Go on the leaves there, buddy. No, it is a walleye, not a sauger. It's just a nice walleye. Woo! Nice splash from him. All right. Looking for something a little bigger here today.